Here's a quick video on how to do this, how to embed your pictures properly with the mountain. Alright, so here's your project. You want to, let's say I'm submitting it here. You reply to the discussion and you have this. You put the cursor here and you go to this picture. It looks like a mountain and a moon. Not this one and not this. Main thing is avoid that. We don't ever use that. So go up to the top row, go over to here, click on this, and you can either insert a file from that you've already saved in the canvas or just something off your desktop or something from your files. I'm just going to do upload image. I happen to have the picture on the desktop. Drag it into here. And there it is. You can name it if you want, it doesn't matter, and then you just hit submit. If you see it on the surface right then and there, you know you've done it right. If you don't see it in here, there's something wrong. Hopefully that works.